In today's video, I'm going to show you how to create free business emails using CPanel in Namecheap hosting step by step. This is a great way to make your brand look more professional with email addresses like info@yourdomain.com, support@yourdomain.com, or hello@yourdomain.com. And the best part is that you can set it up right inside your hosting account without paying for a separate business email service. If this video helps you out, go ahead and hit the like button and subscribe for more easy website and hosting tutorials. Alright, let's jump right in. First, log into your Namecheap account. Once you're signed in, you'll land on your dashboard where you can see your products and hosting services. From here, look for your hosting plan and go to the hosting list. This is where all of your active hosting services are displayed. Next, find the hosting account you want to use and click Go to CPanel. This will open the control panel for your hosting, which is where you manage things like files, domains, databases, and email accounts. Now that you're inside CPanel, look for the email section. Under that section, click Email Accounts. This is the area where you can create and manage all of your custom domain email addresses. If you're setting this up for a business, this is the exact tool you need because it lets you create a branded inbox connected to your domain. Once the email accounts page opens, you'll see a button that says Create. Go ahead and click Create to start setting up a new mailbox. On the next screen, you'll need to choose your domain from the drop-down menu. If you only have one domain attached to the hosting account, it should already be selected, but make sure it's the correct one before continuing. After selecting your domain, enter the email name you want to create. For example, you could type info if you want info@yourdomain.com or support if you want support@yourdomain.com. This part is important because the name before the @ symbol is what people will see and use to contact you. Try to choose something that matches your brand or the purpose of the inbox. Next, create a strong password for the mailbox. I recommend using a long password with a mix of uppercase letters, lowercase letters, numbers, and symbols to keep your email secure. If available, you can also use the built-in password generator in CPanel to create a strong password automatically. Just make sure you save it somewhere safe so you can log in later. Once everything looks good, click Create. CPanel will now generate your new business email account. After a few moments, your mailbox should appear in the list of existing email accounts. That means your custom email address is now active and ready to use. To access the inbox, click Check Email next to the new mailbox. This will take you to the webmail login page for that email account. From the available webmail options, select Roundcube. Roundcube is a simple and user-friendly email interface that lets you read, send, and organize your business emails directly from your browser. When Roundcube opens, you'll see your new business inbox. From here, you can start sending emails with your professional domain address, which is a big upgrade from using a personal Gmail or Yahoo address for business communication. It helps build trust, makes your business look more established, and keeps your branding consistent. And that's it. You've successfully created a free business email using CPanel in Namecheap hosting. You can repeat these steps to create additional inboxes for sales, support, billing, or any other part of your business. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss the next easy hosting guide.